Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today as part of LeetCode 75 playlist, today we are looking into some 24 problem, find pivot index. So here we are given an array and we need to find what is the pivot index. So the pivot index is nothing but in which index, we are having all the values to its left is equals to all the values to its right. So let's say in this case, this is a pivot index. This is a pivot index. Sorry, this is the pivot index, and when you sum everything to this one to this left side, it is 11. And if you do the same thing, you can see both values are same. That is the pivot index we need to find. And for this kind of arrays, we don't have pivot index. We can't find any point where we can see if pivot is at 1, no 0 5, here 1 3 not matching, 3 0. So that is actual problem here. And here I'm going to follow a different kind of method. uh, so what I'm following is, first I will try to find the sum. Okay, I'm trying to find the sum of this particular array. Here the sum is nothing but um, 28. The sum is 28. So once I found the sum, then I will try to calculate left. What is left? Left is nothing but I'm trying to add each value to left in from 0 index to n index. So first I will add 1, then I will add 1 plus 7, then I will add 3 now, that means 11. So while calculating this one, I will do one thing, that if I remove, so after adding 1, or else after adding before adding 1, we can say, or else let's say we added to left, we added 1, and now we are going to add 7. So before adding 7, what I'm going to check is if sum minus 7 is equals to twice of left or not. Okay, twice of left or not. So this is the condition. So before adding it, if it is not matching, this condition is not successful, then I will try to add the value to it. So it's not matching, twice the left it is not matching, so I move to 3. So 28 minus 3 25, and here the left is 8 by that time, and 25 is equals to 16. So left is 8, right? So it will become 16 now, right? So I will add 8 also to it, and then I move to 6. I removed 6, and now it's become 22, and left is 11. 2 into 11, 2 into 11 is 22, and here we are having the value 22. Then I will return this index, nothing but 3 here. So this is very simple logic. I will try to explain by writing the code. So as I mentioned before, first I will try to calculate the sum. Okay, it's a simple for each loop, and done. Then I'm going to calculate left. Here I need to use for loop. So here what we are doing, our formula is nothing but if sum minus left, sorry, sum minus length of I is equals to 2 into left or not. That is the formula. If it is successful, then I will return I. Otherwise, I will just increase none of I. So this is a simple logic we required. We need to know this particular logic, and returning -1 if we don't find any kind of any this kind of results. That's it. I'm running it. It will work fine without any issues. The only thing we need to remember is when we are closing this particular part, that two sides are equal, right? So that is nothing but left. We are calculating all this left part by that time. So left is equals to the remaining part. That means sum minus left minus number of I. So here we when we solve this one, so it is nothing but we can also say sum minus left minus number of I should be equals to left. This will also work. This will also work. Nothing a problem. So this will also work. And nothing like we move left to here and it will become twice of left. That is the only thing. So that's it for this problem. I'm happy when it is like this. So this is all about today. 724 find pivot index, and you can see this solution is very efficient. We just need to remember twice left. That is the only thing, and we need to find sum first and later calculating left and checking if this particular left is matching with the other part of the array or not. So that is for today. I will come back with the next problem tomorrow. Thank you.